All right, so this is going to be a pretty quick video. I just sent you guys 3 questions to kind of help you as well for something that might be on the test. I strongly advise that you know how to do these. All right, so for this one, all right, so you're asked to solve for x. So first we have to look and see, well, what relationship do we have? Well, these two, we don't have a relationship for same side exterior. There's nothing that we have there. So what we need to do is we need to solve for this angle, because we know this angle and this angle are corresponding. So by solving for this angle here, we're able to then say, well, these are equal. And we know that a straight line forms 180 degrees. So we can then do 180 minus 150, which is 30 degrees. So I know that this green box, this angle has to be 30 degrees because they have to add up to 180. So now this is corresponding with this. So we can then say 3x is equal to 30, divide each side by 3, and x is equal to 10 degrees. All right, so that's how you would solve for the number 1. Let's move on to number 2 now. All right, now for the
starting period 5.
For the second video, you have to solve for x, but in this case, you have to know what this symbol means. It means it's 90 degrees. So now we need to look at a relationship. Well, what type of angles are these? Well, these are same side interior angles, and we know same side interior angles are supplementary or add to 180 degrees. So we would do 90 plus 8x plus 2 is equal to 180. We can then combine the 90 and the 2 to get 8x plus 92 is equal to 180. We can then subtract the 92 over. And now we get 8x is equal to 88. Divide each side by 8, and x is equal to 11 degrees. All right? And then one more question, and we're done with this video. All right, so this one says, find segment AB given that triangle ABC is congruent to DEF. So we want to find AB. So that is this segment here. So what we need to do is say, well, what segment is AB congruent with? Well, AB is the first 2 letters, and DE is the first 2 here. So we know that AB and DE are equal. Well, when we look, we don't have what DE is. However, we have a right triangle in which we're given 2 of the 3 sides. So I can then use Pythagorean theorem, where we have x squared, we'll just say that this is x squared plus 3 squared is equal to 5 squared. So x squared plus 9 is equal to 25, subtract the 9. X squared is then equal to 16, take the square root. X is equal to plus or minus 4, reject the negative. So now we know that this is equal to 4. And since we know what DE is now, we can then solve for AB, and AB is also equal to 4. So AB is equal to 4. All right, that is it for this video.